Young people are full of ideas, innovation and energy. Entrepreneurship training helps them to channel this energy into a future full of opportunities for themselves and for society, turning job seekers into job creators. The STEP training, implemented at Bicol University with support from the National Commissions for UNESCO of the Philippines and of Germany, and Leuphana University, Germany, with support from BASF Foundation, is an exemplary entrepreneurship training.
I think this initiative, the STEP program, is a very innovative way of introducing entrepreneurship to our students, not just the business-aligned programs, but all students from different backgrounds. So we can reach out those students in other degrees such as engineering, nursing, College of Sciences, to have or instill in them the entrepreneurial mindset so that when they step out of the university or they pursue their own career development, they will really consider entrepreneurship as a viable career option.
Unemployment is quite a big challenge, especially, or not especially, but also for the well-educated people. So you have people that actually have a master's degree, but still it's hard to find employment because in those regions they don't really have so many businesses to find jobs at. So one solution to this problem and to actually develop the communities and the countries themselves is to have more entrepreneurs and STEP training.
STEP is an action-oriented training. It's from the Leuphana University of Lüneburg in Germany. It was developed in 2008 with Macquarie University and other universities in Uganda.
We trainers were going to guide them on how to put up and start up a business, considering help them economically and financially in the future. And then we're going to train them entrepreneurial. So this student promotion, student training for promotion, usually will guide them on how to be an entrepreneur.
To our friends from the Philippine National Commission for UNESCO, the Leuphana University of Lüneburg, Germany, the German National Commission for UNESCO, and BASF Stiftung, this is a good opportunity to bring the STEP in the Philippines. This program is very close to my heart because it's one of the first few programs that we implemented when I assumed the presidency here in Bicol University in 2015. And I believe that the program has brought a lot of positive effects or impacts to our dear students and to our professors handling the inter-program of Bicol University.
So sabi ng isa niyong kaklase, pwedeng may isang investor na mag-i-invest sa ating negosyo. So marami na po ngayon ng mga tinatawag nating angel investors.
So I am actually part of the first rollout of training of this STEP way back in 2016. And then part of me being part of the training team, I really experienced, I had an awesome experience like being trained by our partners from Leuphana University of Lüneburg in Germany. And then part of our expectations were all met because one good thing about STEP program is that we are training students, non-business students to become entrepreneurs.
Again, on behalf of the Entrep Department, we would like to thank the German Commission for UNESCO, the Philippine National Commission for UNESCO, the BASF Foundation, and the Leuphana University for this opportunity to have the BS Entrep Department to be part of this.
For me, this is more than just a partnership. This is more of sharing, sharing the expertise of our faculty members, sharing what you have given to us, to our youth, especially the students of Bicol University. We believe and we foresee that with this project, we will be able to produce young, energetic entrepreneurs.
I think that STEP is such a good program because it not only provides technical training, but it provides psychological training as well on entrepreneurship. And I think that this is the biggest difference compared to other trainings. It focuses on the development of the personal initiative of students. And I think this is what we Filipinos need, personal initiative, to do something, to be self-starting, to be proactive. And I think that it matters a lot.
Ang next module is about managing your finances. It's a very important module because pag-uusapan din natin dito yung cash management.
For me, when you have a job, when you're employed, you have a living. But when you have a business, you have a fortune. So with that, I think that STEP is such a wonderful program to open doors and make opportunities for various income-generating professions that will one day be a hugely helpful thing for us one day.
This program gives us a wide variety or opportunity for us to develop our entrepreneurial skills and to gain us more knowledge for our upcoming years as a different students in this university.
With all the discussions and talks that we have yesterday, I was able to reflect on some things and thought of some impact which I know would really have an effect not just for us who are here today, but also for those that may be inspired by this program. First is the positive impact that it creates, not just for the students, but for the Bicol University educators as well, to be instrumental in creating employment opportunities.
Student training for entrepreneurial program or the STEP is a timely program which comes to the right time, most especially in Region 5.
And if you're going to be entrepreneurs, it's hard to be an entrepreneur and to create a business if you're only looking at the financial returns to you. You have to make sure that the business you create would also impact positively the community around you.
One of the interventions to combat unemployment is self-employment. Create your own business. Why not? As we might have deduced from the introductions this morning, the STEP program aims to eliminate unemployment and consequently poverty through job creation.
But the world has changed. This is an entirely different world. We need to be able to already adjust and to adapt to this changing world. And that's exactly the reason why in the K-12 curriculum we have given emphasis on entrepreneurship. And entrepreneurship is one of our curriculum exits, which is the third exit.
What has entrepreneurship promotion to do with UNESCO? What does entrepreneurship has to do with education? Well, quality education, as it is stated as an explicit goal within the SDGs of the United Nations, is a broad term that encompasses many forms of education and aims actually at enabling everybody to achieve the skills needed for a self-empowered life.
As a supporter of the INTRA program in the university, I pledge my full commitment to this program. So thank you very much and good luck to everyone.